Hi everyone, welcome back to HVAC Official Channel, your home for expert HVAC tips. Today's video is all about a serious issue that many people overlook. What happens if your air conditioner is overcharged with refrigerant? Let's break it down. When an AC system has more refrigerant than it's designed to handle, it's called overcharging. Every AC unit has a specific refrigerant capacity. Exceeding that limit can cause serious problems in system performance and safety. Signs of an overcharged AC include high pressure readings, weak cooling, and increased electricity bills. Overcharging can lead to compressor damage, reduced efficiency, and even system failure. Always use the right tools and follow best practices to avoid overcharging. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe, and share with others in the HVAC field. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.